This is the operation of the USC 800 seed treater. I've had it for several seasons and has worked really well for me. First we turn on the atomizer and then the drum and the seed wheel. The seed wheel is taking, give me a second, I'm going to cut the noise down here. Seed wheel is taking the rate of seed beans. Here you have the dial, the rate, and when it's calibrated to the weight of beans per pound, that kind of gives you the idea of the volumetric rate. And then we have to match the application rate to the number of beans, and we have auto, which would come on when the seed sensor is sensed. So on the side is where the seed wheel sees the seed. The pumps would come on for manual mode. It'd be on forward. The stalled pump starts. Second one is the inoculant. So anything in this tank is going into the atomizer, or is going into this area. This pump is coming through the meters. The bare meter would report the flow rate and what's the volume going into the atomizer. So I'm going to shut those off again. They can go in reverse for purging and whatnot. When the atomizer is spinning, there's a cup inside that's spraying. The seed isn't going through, and of course naturally falls through into the trough, into the drum at a slight angle into the outlet conveyor. The conveyor is also for sale, and then my catch bin is available as well. That is pretty well as it stands. We've got the calibration tube where you can divert the flow from the mix rate, pump speed and such. Dial can be changed, and then the rate can be purged back into this mix tank. That stirs the, I'll turn that on. That is all functional as well. That's over here on the mix strings. That is pretty well the operation of the unit. Again, it's feed rate into the seed wheel is really handy to keep the calibration going accurately for the application. Generally one product pump in the stainless tank. I do have this auxiliary tank that was a product that we could plumb into this T, if you will, diverting flow from that tank or from the main tank, and everything is functional and pays for itself. So talk to you later. Thank you.